In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage billing in Google AI Studio. Let's get right into it. Managing billing starts in the same place you use models and evaluate prompts. So begin by heading to a studio.google.com in a desktop browser. You may be asked to sign in, and that's normal. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the correct workspace or project so the numbers you see match the environment you actually use. If you work across multiple projects, it's worth pausing for a second to confirm you're in the right one before reviewing any costs. On the left side of the page, look for the main navigation and click Dashboard. This takes you to the central overview for your account or project. The dashboard is helpful because it gives context before you drill into details. You'll typically see recent activity, high-level usage trends, and shortcuts to deeper analytics. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the left edge or expand it so you can clearly see the labels. Taking a quick glance here can save time later, especially if you want to correlate usage with spend. From the dashboard, click Usage and Billing. This section shows how much you've used and where that usage is coming from. Think of it as your health check for tokens, requests, and any model-specific consumption. You'll usually see charts you can hover over to understand spikes, as well as filters that let you narrow things down by model, time range, or endpoint. If you notice a sudden increase, it's a good cue to review recent experiments, automations, or teammate activity that might explain the change. Now click Billing. This is where the money side of things lives. Here, you can review current charges, projected costs, and your invoice history so you always know what's been billed and what's upcoming. You'll also see your default payment method and credit or promotional balance if one applies. Many teams find it helpful to compare the billing view with usage graphs from the previous screen, since that pairing reveals which models or time periods are driving spend. If your organization uses budgets or has spend limits configured elsewhere, the Billing tab is a good place to confirm that everything aligns with those expectations. You'll often find options to download statements or view detailed line items, which is useful for internal reporting or expense reconciliation. If something doesn't look right, look for support or feedback links directly on the page so you can share the relevant context securely. That's it. By going to AI Studio, opening the dashboard, stepping into usage and billing, and then reviewing the Billing tab, you have a clear, reliable path to understand costs, keep your account healthy, and avoid surprises.